guys, today I'm going to go over how I made this two-tier planter stand with materials costing less than $10. First, you want to buy two 2x2x8s, which will cost you $3.74, and then one 2x4x3, which will bring you up to $5.78. Next, cut two 12-inch pieces off your 2x4, and you can keep the last piece in case you mess up. The purpose of the 2x4s is to make them interlock with each other. So mark the center of each 2x4 and then mark to the left and to the right of that center mark 0.75 inches. Next, bring those marks down to the side of each 2x4, but stop at the center, which should be around 1.75 inches. Clamp the pieces together so that the cuts you will make are the same on each piece. Take your circular saw and adjust it to a depth of 1.75 inches. And just start making a bunch of cuts within the lines. The more, the better. Alright, this isn't pretty, but you get the idea. Next, you want to take a hammer and just start smashing them out. Next, take a chisel or a file and start smoothing it out. It doesn't have to be completely smooth since you won't see it anyway, but it just has to be flat enough so that it'll interlock and go flat on both sides. And now you can bring them together using a mallet. Now cut your 2x2s into 4 different 45-inch pieces. You can assemble the shelf any way you want, but what I found works best is to install the upper shelf 8 inches down from the top. And I made a little mistake hole here, but you can cover that up with wood filler or just leave it if you're going for a beat up type of look. And here's how it should look before you put your stain on. The stain I used was Honey 272. You can get this at Lowe's. And here's how it looks after it's done being stained. now it's time for the fun part of putting in your plants. And if you have a baby that likes to crawl around like I do, make sure you use this with an anti-fall device that can be installed to the wall. So overall, the lumber itself was only $5.78, so way less than $10, but I left a little room for you for screws and whatever stain you want.